Hello, how's your day? Since 1974, Motex Healthcare Group was co-founded by Mr. Y.C. Chang and his two brothers almost 50 years ago. We supply high-quality surgical face masks, particulate respirator, wound dressings, medical tapes. We provide non-woven fabric face mask, disposable dental face mask, surgical mask, medical disposal face mask, respirator, wound dressings. N95 Respirator. Wound dressings and medical tapes. Motex offers a complete line of wound dressing products of high water repellency and breathability, providing patients with optimal protection and comfort. We also produce medical tapes from a variety of materials, providing varying levels of adhesion and flexibility for ultimate comfort in any situation. For more product, please visit our stores. Have a nice day.